Welcome back to Berry Life. A couple of years back, my wife and I had the pleasure of visiting a Christmas market in Berlin, near Potsdamer Platz train station. It was absolutely freezing that day, but luckily they were serving this soul-warming Gluhwein, otherwise known as mulled wine. They serve it in these ornamental mugs. It's absolutely delicious, and we've been making it at home ever since. So today we're sharing with you our recipe for Gluhwein. Let's get started. In a saucepan over medium to low heat, we'll add some cinnamon, star anise, and cloves, and toast them until fragrant. This releases the essential oils. Do you know why the Gluhwein lovers never fight? Because they always mull things over first. Next, a little bit of water to prevent the spices from burning. At this point, the entire kitchen is starting to smell like spices. And a couple of tablespoons of agave nectar or sugar. This will create a simple syrup that will be infused with the flavor of the spices. Just be sure to warm it up over gentle heat. You don't want to burn the sugar. Then in goes a bottle of red wine. We're using a Cabernet Sauvignon, but feel free to replace it with your favorite red. We prefer dry wine because we're already adding a sugar syrup. Along with some orange slices. And some freshly ground nutmeg. Gluhwein or mulled wine dates back to the Roman days. Gluhwein translates to glow wine, from the German word glühen, or to glow. It refers to red-hot irons being plunged into wine, giving it a glowing effect. Once this mixture is heated, and we can see the steam coming off of it, we'll go ahead and turn off the heat and add a cup of rum. We're adding white rum today, but we've made this with spiced rum and brandy as well. You want to make sure the heat is off, so the alcohol doesn't burn away. That's it, the Gluhwein is ready. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to make it at your next friends or family get-together. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel, and visit us at berrylife.com for more holiday cocktail recipes. There you have it, Gluhwein, a taste of Germany in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!